Shnong Byrnihat Meghalaya kelamat ya Jingjaboh ke Mariang ke Palat Kaba ke Jingdon ke Jingjaboh ke Palat ban ya ke Bandon. Hamba jubat bekane ke Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kala sedang ya ke Jingbut den bat shim jingkhen ya ke karkhana ke badan hakate ke jaka apa ke jingtha jong menteri rang ba ke jalau konrat ke sangma. Lakmi linti bakane ke jingshim jingkhen an ha ban pha ha ke bakut jong new benai ke jala Meghalaya bat asam ke trelang banwat ikilat ke linti ban pendunai kini ke jing Kaba usang ma ulai keren buat menteri yang bak kejala Asam uhimanta biswa salma bede bat kene kapang.
The Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board regularly monitoring all the industries located in the Byrnihat area, and also some time and again we are surprise inspection also we are doing, and whichever the industries is not complying with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board, and we are giving directions under Water Act, Air Act, and also we are issuing closure notice if they are not complying in time frame. Then and also there are some instances we have imposed a normal compensation also. So this way we are regulating the Pollution Control Board. We are regulating the all industries to ensure the compliance of the Pollution Control Board norms and